lot came out. And this looks like the nose area, which is very hard. Honestly, it's very hard to get that those whiteheads out. There's a lot of bone there. So you have to use tools just like this, you know, to get under that skin. Make it a little easier. And squeeze out that pus. There's an extracting tool that you can get. Yeah, Walmart, CVS has it. That's the exact name of it, but there's a loop at the end of it that you use. Press around that area and squeeze that out. You can't really get to it with your fingers. Pull that is. If you're working on someone else's face. Sanitation. But yeah, look at that, man. Oh, that's gold. That's a gold mine for real. Coming out yellow. That's literal gold. Oh, that is amazing. See how easy it's coming out. It's all built up. Alright, introduction. If you're new, thanks for watching. Feel free to hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, and definitely share if you're still watching it. You know, if you see my other videos, I appreciate it. Thanks for coming back. And hope everybody's day is going well. Over here, it's definitely raining. So that's kind of calming, so I'm okay with it. How's the weather there? How's your day going? Hope you have a good weekend. Hope this is a great start to a good weekend. And let's get back into it. Okay. So the hook tweezers. Really nice. Oh yeah. And I love those utensils because that angle. Be able to get to different spots. But you're using that to press down on it. Which is another use for it. Oh yeah. Let's go. That's it.
Mineralize the Reset and Revive charcoal mask, and I'm using that after I do these plucking videos. And what it does is when working on the area where I've plucked, I'm very intentional about what comes next. So first, the Reset Revive Charcoal Mask. It helps with cleansing, also absorbs the excess oil and impurities. Charcoal is known for its ability to attract and absorb oil and debris, which is why it's such a great part of a skin reset routine, which everyone needs. Then comes MAC Mineralize. Mineralized products are designed to give the skin a more polished, luminous appearance while helping to create that smooth look and finish. Alright, here's the important part. So Mineralize isn't a treatment for ingrown hairs. I use it not as a substitute for proper aftercare. So charcoal equals reset and cleanse. Mineralize equals finish and enhancing the appearance after you pluck those ingrown hairs. And after plucking, I always want to be mindful of the skin because freshly plucked areas can be more sensitive.